you know, it's heart pounding right there, but if your heart pounds when I bring up the dentist, that's a whole different story, right? You may want to think about changing a dentist who can make you feel comfortable. And I talked to someone who does just that. And he's going to give you a beautiful smile at the same time. Welcome. And that's exactly what you're going to hear when you walk through the doors here of the offices of Dr. Stephen Marsh. Very simple to get to off of 271 Cedar Road exit. Doctor, you and your team have a wonderful area the minute they walk through the door, a patient walks through the door. It's called the reception area.
Yeah, and that's what we like to say. We receive people. We don't want it to be a waiting room.
Right.
We try to take them as quickly as we can when they come in. And in fact, when we have a new patient, I come out and introduce myself, and we talk a little bit, and then we bring them in and give them a tour of the office. We have coffee and water, but we try to make them feel welcome. For many people, they haven't been to the dentist in a long time, or it's a whole new experience. So we want everybody to feel welcome, and our whole team works that way.
Very calm vibe here at your office.
Thanks. And we all know that no one really loves going to the dentist.
What?
So, what? Right. So whatever we can do to make it a little easier, we do. Between warm towels that we give them, blankets if they need them, whatever we can do to make the experience nicer for them.
Yeah, I think that's wonderful. Okay, let's talk some of the patients. Let's feature some of the patients that you've helped. So tell me about Chris.
So Chris came to us. She had actually been taking care of her husband who had been sick for a long time. And she said, I really need to do something for myself. And he actually encouraged her. And she had crowns done many years ago. And we said, Chris, let's start simply. We did 10 porcelain veneers to give her a smile that she really was fond of, and said, I feel very comfortable smiling for the first time in many years. And it was nice that she said, I also felt so warm in your office. It meant a lot to me.
Nice.
So Olivia, very interesting. So she actually came with her grandfather. He was very supportive of her. She had had some porcelain veneer work done 10 years ago. She wanted it redone. She really still wasn't happy with her smile. There had been a lot of recession. That's where you see more of the tooth, and you can see that in the picture. And again, with her, we did 10 porcelain veneers. We reshaped the bottom. Her grandfather was here all the way, and he said what he really loved was we sometimes, besides giving him coffee, he sat in my office and caught up on his work. So he felt very good about that. Leanne. So Leanne was also very selective about her dentistry. Her sister said, why don't you go in and see Dr. Marsh and his team? They have plenty of experience. Her teeth had worn down over the years, and she said, I really want to do something. 6 porcelain veneers now, and we'll do the lowers in the future. And she said, I have never felt so comfortable in an office. And
wow,
for us, that meant a lot.
Yeah.
And the last one, Courtney. Courtney had bonding done years ago, Joe, and she was in her 20s, and she said, I really won't smile, and she works 3 jobs. It meant a lot to her. I said, Courtney, let's move forward. No judgment here. We raised the tissue, got it very healthy for her, and then gave her 10 porcelain veneers, and she said it literally is life-changing, and when she works one of those 3 jobs, she always feels much more friendly and much more able to smile at people.
Well, I'll tell you, what a difference. And if you're waiting for a difference in your smile, let Dr. Marsh and his team welcome you. Simply give them a call at 440-461-1003. You can simply go on their website, clevelandsmiles.com, for more information. Doctor, thank you so much.
It's my pleasure, Joe. Thank you.
You're welcome.